Learner-centered psychological principles. Learner-centered psychological principles pertains to all learners and the learning process, best understood as an organized set of principles. No principle should be viewed in isolation. Taken from the principles developed by the American Psychological Association. The 14 principles are divided into referring to cognitive and metacognitive, motivational and affective, developmental and social, and the fourth one is individual difference factors influencing learners and learning. Cognitive and metacognitive factors, which has 6 principles, generally deal with thinking and thinking about thinking. We do have nature of the learning process, goals of the learning process, construction of knowledge, strategic thinking, thinking about thinking, and context of learning. Next domain has 3 principles belonging to motivational and affective factors appeal to the behavior and emotion of the learner toward learning. We do have motivational and emotional influence on learning, intrinsic motivation to learn, and effects of motivation on effort. However, developmental and social, covering 2 principles that are considered to be external or contextual factors. We do have developmental influences on learning and social influences on learning. And the last 3 principles are under individual differences factors dealing with diversity and standard. We do have individual differences in learning, learning and diversity, and the last one is standards and assessment. The principles are intended to apply to all learners, from children to teachers, to administrators, to parents, and to community members involved in our educational system. Now, I have a question to you. What do you think is the importance of applying the learner-centered psychological principles to teaching?